Today we're taking off our turn signal and replacing it with a new one. Underneath the steering wheel there are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And they take a 7mm wrench to get out, and we've already removed those, so now we just have to pull the bottom part off, okay, and take that out. This one pops up and we have access to the turn signal. We just have to remove some sensors and put the new one in. We're going to remove this sensor right here, and you need a flathead screwdriver, and basically you just pop this up and it'll pull right out. Now you just have to remove this one. There's a clip right here that you push down on and a clip underneath that you push down on. And I had previously just loosened it up, and you just pull it out. There you go. So we have our new turn signal here. We'll just slide it in. It snaps in there. Snap this guy in right there. Snap this boy in right there. Put that down. And get this in a position where it kind of slides out and slides up. So when you're putting this back together, remember, this goes on the outside of your knob here and outside of this signal over here. Okay, nice, right over here, and they clip together. I haven't screwed it back in yet, but you can tell it's a pretty nice seam. And now we're just going to try it. Ours wouldn't go to the left turn signal, so look at that, perfect. And right, high beams. We're ready for our last screw. I've already done the other 2. Just gonna put it in the hole there and tighten it up. Alright, so that's how you replace your left turn signal and high beam mechanism on a 2009 Pontiac G6. Please check out our other videos, Martin's Used Cars. Thanks for watching.